Yeah, so welcome, Dr. Manisha, and it's our pleasure that you are part of Back on Track program. And uh, I would like to hear from you your experiences about Back on Track.
Okay, Anand. So, this Back on Track program, first of all, the idea is really amazing, and it is helping personally to me in that sense. Like, though I am well experienced in my field, but into this digital media and marketing, it's a very new field for me. Though it's not that new, but still for me there was a big barrier to overcome that and to get accustomed to these things and implement those things in my practice or for my benefit that way. So I must thank you for launching this program, and I could participate in that. So it is really helping me, and I can see, taking little small steps every day towards this, whatever the programs you have planned, like Google My Business, first Facebook, then Instagram, Google My Business, WhatsApp for Business. So earlier those were just the names for me. So now it is, giving me the meaning and the meaning to my, practice also. So it's really helping.
Great. And in terms of your experience, so while this program is on, so what all fun do you have in these sessions? So how are the sessions?
Oh, sessions are very amazing. You just don't feel where the 2 hours. Actually, it is 1.5 hour session, but it always it stretches to 2 hours. But you don't even come to know where these 2 hours have gone, because you are learning so much, and it's not just theoretical learning. So you are getting the practical things, practical tips, and the best part it is immediately implementable. So it's not that you have to just listen to it and then work on it and then use it. So it's not all that. You just understand what needs to be done, just some basic steps, and you can immediately implement it with the whatever these 4 tracks are there or verticals are there of social media. And as you start going ahead, you start getting the responses also on those social medias. So that becomes more interactive and more interesting. So that way it is fun.
Great. And what made you smile? So when you started using the social media part of it, and so what was the quick response that you got from other people, and how you found it useful?
So see, Facebook, I was, used to visit very sporadically earlier, but now we have started. But more than Facebook, the Instagram I found more handy, because anytime you can just be on, mobile and open it. And I just posted a video on some theme, like reversal of diabetes is the theme. So what a chart you have provided, the Upgrowth team and all, regarding spending some time and chalking out what activities you will do in the social media in the coming weeks. So at that planner was very useful, and so you just sit down, give a thought what all you want to do, and decide something. So then one idea leads to another. So through that, my first week was I focused on the diabetes and the prevention of diabetes and what all I can just put. So I just put first the poll, and then followed by that 2 days later a video on Instagram and also on the Facebook. But so I got the response on the Instagram regarding a girl called me, or she showed interest in having a talk with me regarding what I have posted. And so it turned out to be a lead then, and so we exchanged the WhatsApp numbers, and so the things will move on ahead. But at least that start, which was a surprise to me, like something like this also can happen through Instagram, where it's a totally new field for me. So that new avenue got opened.
Amazing. And lastly, what would you tell other entrepreneurs about Deyasra and Upgrowth and what you're doing?
Yeah, so I would definitely recommend others also, definitely this platform. It's very useful, and you have understood the exact needs of, basically the startups. Or mine is not the startup, but it's the startup in the digital media, or the social media, what I can call it as, because since we have been like when I started the practice, the things were very different. So I'm tuned to those things, and as the things were changing, I couldn't somehow got accustomed to those things because of some, hesitation. Like if you don't know how to do it, I just used to withdraw. So that thing, that ice break could happen with this program. So I would recommend that the whatever teachings or the things are you are giving over here, they are really useful, very very practical and implementable. So I would highly recommend to go through your or like enroll for your programs.
Great. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.